Hey guys, Paul Roberts here. And if you drive a Jeep JK with a 3.6 Pentastar, I think you may find this video interesting. So as you know, these Jeep 3.6 Pentastar engines have trouble with oil cooler housing. It's a design flaw. Everybody knows that. Mine went out right at 100,000 miles and started leaking oil. And what you'll experience is oil. First of all, you smell it. The oil fills up into the galleries and then it spills over onto the exhaust manifold or the exhaust of the Jeep, and you'll smell it when you come up to a red light. So more than likely that's going to be your oil cooler housing. And so I was looking at options of oil cooler housings, and the Jeep comes with a plastic one, and I got to looking around, and there is a all aluminum one that's sold by Amazon, and it was only like 50, maybe 55 bucks. I thought that was too good to be true. I said, well, you know what? Let's take a chance. Let's just see. I ordered that. It came shipped within a few days, and it's packaged well. Nice foam insulation around it. You know, machining was looked really good on the thing. Came with all the necessary gaskets, and so I've got some video of it. Okay, guys, I'm doing the oil cooler swap on the 2017 Jeep JK. This is the original, obviously. It's plastic. Started leaking. Ordered the aluminum one. I got this one off of Amazon. It was like $60. It came with everything, all aluminum. Came with the sensors. I'm looking at the moldings. They all look pretty much identical to me. So I'm making this video because I'm going to do a follow-up video just to prove to you guys, or disprove, that this is a legitimate swap out. So yeah, it's like 55 bucks on Amazon. So let's see if it works. So it's been about 300 miles in a couple weeks, 2 or 3 weeks, since I've replaced the Jeep oil cooler housing with the $50 Amazon oil cooler housing. And so let's look and see what the results are. So this is my 2017 Jeep JK, and let me see if I can get us a good view down in there. Here is the oil filler cap, and let's look down in the very bottom. If the camera's picking that up, there is no oil. So bone dry down there. I've been driving the Jeep now for several weeks and several hundred miles, and there's no leaks. So I'm ecstatic over that. So that was a very good buy from my standpoint. So I would highly recommend considering buying that $55 oil cooler housing from Amazon. Why? Because it works. No issues with it. What I'm going to do is leave a link down below that shows the exact model oil cooler that I purchased. And so hopefully that will help you guys in making your decision on what to do. Because believe me, you're going to have a bad oil cooler housing at some point if you have the 3.6 Jeep Pentastar. It's just going to happen. All right. If you like that video, like and subscribe, and more stuff to come.